Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to log into ADP using computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser of your choice, and into the URL box at the top type in www.adp.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of ADP, or Automatic Data Processing Inc., which looks like this. ADP is a global business outsourcing service provider, and it is the largest payroll outsourcing provider in the world. To log into your ADP account from the official webpage, go to the Sign In button located at the upper right hand corner and click it on. In the Sign In area for ADP, go ahead and pick the best option that describes you from the options displayed. Click the Next button beneath in order to get to the other page. Enter your user ID into the text box on the next page. Make sure to enter your information correct. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this little box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared device for your security. In case you've forgotten your user ID and you need help with that, click on Forgot Your User ID link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. If you are a first-time user for ADP and you've not created an account yet, click on Create Account link beneath. Once you type in your correct username, click Next. Now, you'll need to type in your password as well. Make sure to type in your password correct and make sure to enter the same information that you used while signing up for ADP. In case you don't remember your password as well, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, click on the Sign In button after you are done entering your credentials, and that way you'll be able to log into your ADP account from your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.